Well, if you're a new mom or a mom-to-be, you are most likely heavily involved in planning and preparing for your little ones so that they're safe, secure, and healthy when they arrive and in the future. But in your preparing, you might have forgotten one responsibility that could really be the most important one of your life, purchasing adult life insurance. So here to make it all easy and help explain all of this is David Fear, Vice President of Gerber Life Insurance Company, and Becky Rundles, a new first-time mom. Congratulations, Becky.
Thank you.
And welcome to you, David.
Thank you.
I didn't know that Gerber did life insurance. We all know you as the baby food company.
Well, Gerber Products, which started about 80 years ago, is in the baby food business. And about 40 years ago, they created Gerber Life Insurance Company. And basically, they created us to really focus on new parents and young moms and making sure we can provide them with life insurance products that really are affordable. So we've been in business now since about 1967.
Okay. Well, you know, and I know for you, Becky, in preparing for the arrival of your child, life insurance wasn't really something that you had thought about previously. Why hadn't you purchased adult life insurance?
Well, we did think about it, but it was as the delivery date approached, and then the baby came, and we were busy being new parents, and it was just really confusing to decide what to do. We did a lot of research online, and we also asked family and friends, and what we found is that there are a lot of choices, and this is a big decision for us. We want to make sure we make the right one.
So, Becky, what kinds of questions were going through your mind as you were trying to find the right plan for your family?
Well, we knew we needed life insurance, but we weren't sure how much we needed and what we needed it for. And both of us, my husband and I, we had a little bit of life insurance through our employers. So we weren't sure if that was enough or if we needed to supplement that. And then you have all the different types of plans and choices. So it was overwhelming.
And so when you sit here next to someone like David, who obviously has a wealth of experience in this field, David, what can you tell Becky in order to make her decision-making process just a little bit easier?
Well, buying life insurance can be very, very confusing. Yeah. And certainly there's lots of questions you need to get through and to understand. But the first question you got to ask yourself is, what do I need the life insurance for? And what you find is most times people buy life insurance because it's a reasonable way to buy something that you can afford that will provide your family with income if you should die prematurely. It's also a way to pay off debts, and it's a way to pay for funeral.
How do you know how much life insurance you need?
One way to do it is to take the amount of income that you earn each year, multiply that by 3 or 5 times, and buy that amount of life insurance. Another way to do it is to figure out how much debt you have, your mortgage, home equity loan, car loans, those things, add it all up and buy that amount of life insurance.
We want to purchase the policy that's right for us. How do we go about doing that?
Well, basically there's 2 types of life insurance. There's term and there's permanent. Term insurance usually goes from 10 to 30 years, and at the end of that period of time, the insurance ends. Permanent insurance is typically whole life insurance, and with whole life insurance, what you're going to find is it's going to cover your whole life. Now, term insurance is going to be less expensive because it's only for a shorter period of time. Whole life will be a little bit more expensive, covering your whole life, but what you're going to find with whole life insurance is the premium's never going to increase.
How do we know, though, which company we should buy life insurance from? Because I know I get flyers in the mail all the time.
Yeah, I think what you want to focus on is a company that's rated A or better, excellent, like Gerber Life. But you also want to find a company that you're comfortable with, a company that's going to listen to your situation and come up with a recommendation that really fits your needs.
All right, good advice, Becky. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, David. So where can we go for more information?
Well, you can go to gerberlife.com or you can call us. Our phone number's on our website, and we have people there who are really ready to help you and learn about your situation and make a good recommendation.
Well, thanks to you both for being here with us this morning. Congratulations once again on the new baby.